Hello guys, it's me, 11 MSP. Now, so, like, this is part 2 of kosarin and MSP. Now, anyways, in my last video, I think it was like part 2 or something. Oh, and one of you guys might have taken the account. I'm so glad you guys didn't. Anyways, but I'm gonna be making a part 2. Now, if one of you guys takes the account, it's not really like a deal because I can always and I did new makeup and a new hair, and I made like a wish list of what Kira wears because then I can just buy her outfits. And I'm gonna do more activities so I can earn more star coins and make it look like more like her and troll more. Here we go. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna post more pictures of Kira. I already got people saying we all know that ain't you. Oh, okay. You wanna get this hot up in here, sis? Okay, now we're gonna find some good pictures of Kira. Now Kira's like 21 years old. What do you mean? I haven't even uploaded anything today. That ruins the video. What the what? Don't care. Anyways, you know. I didn't even upload those videos are from yesterday. I need a mad emoji. Oh yes, I only got one animation. Now I'm serious. If you guys want me, like I am going to give away this account. It just still looks newbie because I don't want to go petting pets and like being like, oh, this video was like that. My Halloween costume. Why are you dressed up as a devil? I was 11, and I am not showing you guys because I ain't doing no freaking face reveal. Okay, now I'm going to give. This is gonna be like the last episode of trolling as Kira because I'm not a good troller. But anyways, this account has good stuff, and like, if anyone wants it, then hurry up and log on to it because I did like a thing on my main, and I ended up just gifting everything to my main because no one wanted the account. So the password is LOL123. Okay, bye guys.